the perfect blend of power, style, and innovation. Welcome to the Ford CL9, an iconic semi-truck that redefined the trucking industry and left an indelible mark on the world of commercial vehicles. The Ford CL9 is a legendary semi-truck that redefined the trucking industry with its innovative Cabover engine design and advanced features. Introduced in the late 1970s, this truck became a symbol of Ford's commitment to producing high-performance and durable commercial vehicles. The CL9 was designed for long-haul operations, blending aerodynamics with driver comfort and cutting-edge engineering. The development of the Ford CL9 marked a significant departure from traditional semi-truck designs. Its Cabover engine configuration allowed for a shorter wheelbase without sacrificing cargo capacity, making it an ideal choice for navigating tight urban areas and maximizing trailer length. The cab was designed to be both functional and stylish, with large wraparound windows, providing excellent visibility and an aerodynamic shape reducing wind resistance. The truck's exterior featured a bold grille, integrated headlights, and a sleek, modern look that set it apart from other trucks of its era. Inside, the Ford CL9 was built with driver comfort in mind. The spacious cab offered an ergonomic layout with a well-designed dashboard, easy-to-read gauges, and intuitively placed controls. The truck featured air-ride seating, reducing fatigue on long hauls, and the sleeper cab variants provided ample space for resting. Ford focused on minimizing noise and vibration levels, ensuring a smoother and quieter ride compared to its competitors. The high-quality materials and durable construction made the CL9 a favorite among truckers looking for reliability and comfort. Powering the Ford CL9 was a range of powerful diesel engines, including the Cummins NTC, Detroit Diesel Series 92, and Caterpillar 3406. These engines delivered impressive horsepower and torque, making the CL9 a formidable machine on the road. The truck was equipped with multiple transmission options, including manual and automatic choices, catering to different driving preferences and needs. Its robust drivetrain and heavy-duty suspension allowed it to handle demanding loads with ease, cementing its reputation as a workhorse in the trucking industry. One of the standout features of the Ford CL9000 was its advanced engineering. The truck utilized a tilt cab mechanism, allowing easy access to the engine for maintenance and repairs. This design reduced downtime and improved efficiency, making it a practical choice for fleet operators. The air-ride suspension system provided superior ride quality, while the integrated braking system enhanced safety and control. The truck's lightweight construction, combined with its aerodynamic shape, contributed to improved fuel efficiency, a crucial factor for long-haul trucking. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Ford CL9 faced stiff competition from other manufacturers like Kenworth, Peterbilt, and Freightliner. However, it remained a beloved model due to its innovative design and dependable performance. Over the years, the CL9 developed a cult following among truck enthusiasts, with restored models still making appearances at truck shows and on the road. The Ford CL9 was not just an engineering marvel but also a game-changer in the commercial trucking industry. The tilt cab design made serviceability easier, reducing downtime and lowering maintenance costs. This feature, along with Ford's emphasis on durability, led to a longer lifespan for these trucks, ensuring that they remained in operation for decades. Many trucking companies and independent operators appreciated the CL9 for its low operating costs and reliability. Another key advantage of the CL9 was its emphasis on aerodynamics. At a time when fuel prices were rising and efficiency was becoming a concern, Ford designed the truck with a streamlined cab, helping to improve fuel economy. The lightweight aluminum body panels also contributed to reduced weight, further boosting efficiency and performance. These factors made the CL900 an attractive choice for long-haul trucking, where fuel savings could significantly impact profitability. The sleeper cab variants of the CL900 were particularly popular among long-haul truckers. These models provided a spacious and comfortable resting area, making long-distance journeys more manageable. The well-insulated cabin, combined with a powerful heating and air conditioning system, ensured a pleasant driving experience in various weather conditions. Many drivers appreciated the truck's smooth ride and ergonomic design, which helped reduce fatigue and improve overall safety. Over the years, the Ford CL900 underwent several upgrades and improvements. Ford continued to refine the truck's drivetrain, suspension, and overall build quality to keep up with industry demands. The later models of the CL9000 featured even better fuel efficiency, improved safety features, and more advanced technology, making them a viable option for trucking companies looking to modernize their fleets. In addition to its performance and durability, the Ford CL900 became a cultural icon in the trucking world. It was featured in various advertisements, trucking magazines, and even made appearances in movies and TV shows. The truck's distinctive Cabover engine design made it instantly recognizable, and it earned a reputation as one of the best cab-over trucks ever built. Even today, truck enthusiasts and collectors seek out well-preserved CL9000 models, restoring them to their former glory. Despite being discontinued, the Ford CL900 remains a cherished piece of trucking history. Many classic truck shows feature restored models, showcasing their timeless design and robust engineering. Collectors and truck historians often praise the CL900 for its role in shaping the future of commercial trucking. The truck's legacy lives on through dedicated enthusiasts who continue to maintain and restore these iconic machines. The Ford CL900 represents an era of trucking where innovation and practicality met to create something truly remarkable. Its combination of power, efficiency, and driver comfort made it a standout in its class. Even as modern trucks continue to evolve with new technologies, the CL900 remains a benchmark for durability and performance. If you're passionate about iconic trucks like the Ford CL900, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of legendary commercial vehicles. From historical models to the latest innovations, we'll continue to explore the best trucks that have shaped the industry and captured the imagination of truck enthusiasts worldwide.